Welcome, and in this tutorial we'll be trying to understand the hello world class that we just created in our Java project and understand the different parts and how they work together and explain each line and what it's there for. First, we look at this class hello world. What does this line mean? This here is the point where we declare the class hello world. So and every Java class has to be declared. So for any .java file to be called a class, it has to have the class, this line, the class and the name of the class, and so this is where all Java classes always start from. Next, we look at this curly brace bracket here, and this one here is the one that encloses all contents of a Java class. So if you declare a Java class class hello world, it has to open with that open curly braces and then close with the curly braces at the end, and everything inside now belongs inside that class. Then next we look at this next line, the public void, the public static void main, and then open bracket string args curly brackets and then close bracket. And so what does this line represent? This line here is the declaration of the main method. Now in every class there must be a method, so this here is our main method, and this is where the Java program starts to run. And so the main method always will be the method that Java starts with. When you run a Java method, it will start from that point, and then it takes arguments, string, an array of arguments, and they can be passed to this method from the Java run command. Next, we look at this line that says system.out.println open bracket hello world in quotes close bracket and then semicolon. So now what does this line represent? This line here is a way to output anything in Java to the user. So if you want to show the user something from a program, you can use system.out.println and then it will be printed on the console to show that the program is saying something. So in this application of ours, we shall be outputting on the console hello world, and this will be the only line actually our program runs inside the main class to show and print out hello world on the console. And then lastly, we'll be looking at this little piece, the semicolon, and this one here is what terminates every Java line. Every line you write in Java, if you're finished with that line, you're gonna terminate it with a semicolon, and this always tells the compiler that that line has stopped there. And so it's very important, and I had to explain it. So that's it, guys. That's our class, that's our hello world class. Don't worry if you don't understand some of the things at this point: method, class, arguments, array, and all this. We will be explaining each of those things as we continue with the other tutorials along in this series, and you will get a deeper understanding every time we talk about these things in detail. Thank you.